Hey guys, welcome to Tessa and Skylar Woodworks. Today we're going to be taking over our dad's channel.
Today we're going to do a craft for Valentine's Day for our mom and stepmom.
Our dad got us a bunch of stencils and these are the ones that we chose.
So this one's more of a yoga one. So we did breathe, believe, and grow. And then for a family one, we did bless, family, and love. Our dad got us some wood from the workshop.
And twine.
And we're going to make triple plank signs.
Let's clean up and cut some wood.
Okay, you just. Oh.
No
children were hurt in this episode.
Just making sure for all those haters out there.
That was my lines to nod.
First things first.
We gotta put on our safety goggles. My mascara, wait.
Next we're going to measure our board length.
Board length is about 14.5 inches to 15 inches. Dad, this is a Japanese pole saw. Isn't this used for flush cuts?
And this is a dovetail saw. Isn't it used for dovetail joints?
Please.
Can we please use it?
Remember the first rule, safety first.
So our dad is going to cut the wood for us.
Dad's gonna set a stop log for 15 inches.
To make repeatable cuts. Cut us a bunch of boards.
So we need to pick the best boards out of the bunch.
We need 3 boards each.
This is the size that they're supposed to be. I don't really like that one. This one, yes.
We forgot one more piece of wood. Yes, no? I think it's a yes.
I think it's no.
It's a yes.
Fine. This is our new addition, and he's a little shop dog.
Hey, hello.
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 But yeah.
Bye. Safety first. Real woodworkers take air back. Now we set the drill press fence and the stop block.
To 3/4 of an inch from the center of the drill bit.
Next we drill holes in each of the corners of all the boards.
We felt that the original twine that we had was too thin, so we went out and bought a thicker twine.
And because of that, we had to draw our holes big. We tied a knot on one side and wrapped the other in blue tape.
So we're gonna weave it through the 3 songs.
We left some space at the top.
And we tied a knot at the bottom. We turn them upside down. And we put spacers.
And stapled them to keep them in place. We take the spacers out.
And we're all done. Happy birthday, Mom and Kim. No children were hurt in this episode.
Maybe. Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Hi.
Oh.
All right, just take a breath. Get in position and action.